Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Path Trading, partners along with Bob Iacchino. So little divergence here, could not get to the 12.5, and when you see it start running up, you get a divergence and it can't get to even to the 12.5. It generally does a slightly bigger pullback, pulling back to the 50 exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart. Now, we're still making higher lows. We made one lower high, so that put us more in neutral mode, but we are still making higher lows. So I'd say neutral to slightly bullish. Still watching for that 11,975 and then 12,135 area. Above there, our targets still stay the same. Right now, the key level support is about 11,485 to 11,500. If we drop below that, then I'm going to be watching 11,350 and then all the way back down into this consolidation area around the GAN level at 11,200. Let's check into that daily chart. Daily chart still holding the 8 EMA. You can see as that's rising, it's sort of keeping it propped up. If we did get a close below 11,500, then I'd really start focusing on the potential bigger pullback. And we do have a potential double top here. Now, if this could still move up once and still be a double top, but then if it moves up, pulls back, and rotates up again, then it's a triple top, and we start watching for a continuation. Now, the next major levels higher should this break out to the upside again, 12,550 and then 12,964. Let's take a look at Ethereum. All right, Ethereum 4-hour. Rotation zone just gone flat. We're in neutral mode on that. Key resistance I'm watching is about this 40120 area. Move above there, then we're going to watch. Remember, I'm not even going to put up the short-term GAN levels. I'm just going to watch for these longer ones, 415 and 438. If you wanted to, as it approaches this area again, you can always do shorter-term GAN levels if you're looking for something closer than 438. Above there, major cluster 455 to 461. All right, support. I'm really going to be focused on, jump to daily right now. So this first area of support about 383.50, where the rising 8 is, you see, and that's on a closing basis. If it drops below there, be watching about 372.50 to 375. Right, these couple candle bodies and right at the 12.5% retracement. And if we drop below there, I'd be watching for a return closer to the bottom of the rotation zone at 347. We definitely have waning momentum, no divergence up there, but we still favored a bullish case based off the daily. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.